Welcome to the policypass video training module on the bushfire policy. This policy ensures everyone's safety by preparing for, responding to, and recovering from bushfire emergencies, with clear roles and procedures for all. The aim of this policy is to protect children, staff, families, and visitors from bushfire risk. Identify and assess bushfire hazards specific to the service. Develop and rehearse a comprehensive emergency management plan. And ensure compliance with regulations and continuous improvement. Implementation includes conducting regular bushfire risk assessments and site maintenance. Maintaining and practicing an up-to-date emergency management plan. Providing resources like emergency kits, communication tools, and clear evacuation routes. And training staff in bushfire awareness, emergency procedures, and decision-making. Management responsibilities include reviewing and updating the bushfire policy and emergency management plan annually. Allocating resources for preparedness and response. Liaising with local fire authorities and regulatory bodies, and leading post-incident reviews and supporting recovery. Educators and staff are responsible for knowing and following all bushfire procedures and their specific roles, participating in regular training and emergency drills, maintaining vigilance for fire danger ratings and alerts, and supervising and supporting children calmly during emergencies. Families are responsible for staying informed about the bushfire policy and emergency procedures, keeping contact details up to date with the service, responding promptly to emergency notifications or collection requests, and sharing their own bushfire survival plans if relevant. Together, we ensure a safe, prepared and resilient environment for all during bushfire season. Thank you for watching this training module on the bushfire policy. Let's continue to prioritise safety and readiness to protect every child, family and staff member from bushfire risk.